Okay, I need some help here with my Banggood clock kit that I bought. Of course, no build instructions or schematic with it. There is a picture of the back with just basic things, but I made this picture myself. And up in that box in the top left-hand corner are the little surface mount resistors, capacitors that I got. And then I got this one unknown one, which looks like some type of capacitor with long wires on it. But anyhow, yeah, that C1 and C2 is probably for the 10P, because I think when you have a number with like a P in it, it's probably a capacitor. So they would go into C's for capacitors. That's probably it. Then we got all the R's, which would be resistors. We got R1 and another one that isn't marked. Then we got R3 to R8 and R9, 10, 11. So I'm thinking that R1 and R2, presumably, those up there, we'll get a closer look at it later. R1 and R2 is probably the 103 because they only gave me 3 of them. And the R3 through R8 plus R9, 10, and 11 are probably for the 102s because they gave me 11 of those. And they sometimes give you a 1 or 2 extra. So that's what I'm kind of thinking. And that one I have marked in green, the 2T1, well, that one has 3 connections. So that's the one that has to go in there. And the large integrated circuits, those black square things, normally they have that little U cutout, but they don't. But there is a dot up there, so I think the dot goes on the side. Now here we have a better look here. You can see the one small U2 has that dot up in the left-hand corner. So presumably the big one, the dot goes up in that corner too. Now we're looking up here in at the circled one with that R2. I don't see the R1. I guess it's the one on the right. And then we got that R9, 10, 11. And then those ones in the middle, those 4 holes in the middle, I know one's for like a sensor. And I think that other lone orange dot capacitor probably goes in there, but I'm not sure which holes here. So if anybody's done this and they got some good info as to what goes where, I sure would appreciate it. And once I find out what goes where, I will, of course, post it here on YouTube for the rest of the world to know. And like I said, I'm just a novice, so I don't know too much about this. So that's why I need help. But thanks a lot. Okay.